And when I'm being entertaining, I do like to be clear. Because like I said, sometimes you gotta spice it up. But this is something I've been doing for a while now, and this shit get the job done. Because remember, you don't need to load abs with a lot of weight. Keep that lean. Oh, we might as well go ahead and roll in them pull-ups. Okay. Oh, one thing I love doing, I'll show y'all something real quick. Even I got the height to be able to reach and do the pull-up, but sometimes I love, mainly if I'm doing like weighted pull-ups, you might as well use a dumbbell to step up just to make it that much easier. Make sure you put it right in the center. So we're gonna crank out just like this. Easy, easy. So remember, place that dumbbell right there. You can step up. That way you ain't gotta jump to the bar. Like I said, my arm's more than long enough to be able to grab it or for me to step on my tippy toes to get it. But you ain't always gotta do it. Sometimes make things a little bit easier because you'll be able to get a few more reps out of your set. Just keep telling y'all basics. Basics build the foundation. Basics for sure build the foundation. We can go nice and 20 on these. You wanna bring the knees to the chest. There we go, bring the knees to the chest, control down on the abs. Knees to the chest, control down on the abs. It's butter right here. One of my favorite movements that I'm trying to tell you. I've been showing y'all a little bit fancy stuff with the abs, but I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm just showing y'all because I know y'all entertained by that. Let's get it, just 10. Nice and clean, you got this. All the way up. Good. We focus on bringing that chin to the bars, the handlebars. That's 10? Nah, come on, keep going. Explode up. No hold right now, explode up. Try to go as high as you can. Nice. So one thing, another thing too, if you got a partner, what I would recommend, if I wasn't holding the camera, I would have did it for Rube. But you can place your hand under the person that's performing the pull-ups feet and slightly help them. I mean, like whatever little bit of strength that they need to crank out the rep. I ain't say put both hands and do what you do. If you have to put both hands because you like the strength with the assist, do that. And I keep telling y'all, one of my favorites is going to assisted pull-up machines. You can get money out of the assisted pull-ups. And like I said before, you'll be able to get one of the best mind and muscle connections you could possibly think of. Let's get to it. Back to the abs, we doing 10 of those. We're only gonna do 3 sets of this, nothing too crazy. Remember, bring that knee as high as you can. Going right back into the 10 pull-ups. It's okay, you know, gather your thoughts before you crank them out, mainly if you're a little tired. Make sure you grip the bar as tight as you can. I don't know if you can see my hands, but I'm like I'm choking the shit out of somebody. Going nice, clean 20. Nothing wrong with being explosive. There we go. Straighten that leg out at the bottom. Good, lean on the abs. Abs nice and tight. Easy. Easy. Easy, keep working, good work. You know you hear that breathing too. Breathe out at the top. Nice, as many as you can. As many as you can, you got it. 1, 2, 3, explode, 4, explode, 5, 6. Come on. Up. Get it up there. Good, great work. Nice. So don't get frustrated when you first start your fitness journey and you're like, man, this person cranking out 15. It's you versus you at the end of the day. Let's be very clear about that. Yes, I can crank out 10, but I've been doing pull-ups. I can max out my weight with lat pull-downs, but I do want you to understand that because I haven't been doing weighted pull-ups, and Ruben noticed, I used to be able to crank out weighted pull-ups with ease. Right now, I'm struggling with the 45-pound weight. So do understand that once you take the things out of your program, you can't expect to be great at it because the body is no longer remembering those mechanics. That's why I say introduce your body to the weight sometimes and continuously do it so your body can start gaining the abilities to understand that it needs to get stronger to do this movement. But just don't jump straight into crazy weight. You ain't gotta do all that. Like I said, prep the body month by month, feed it a little bit more, because I do try to get y'all to understand, biting off too much that you can chew when it comes down to lifting heavier, guess what happens? You lead to the chance of getting injured. And that's something we want to avoid. I don't like people getting injured because you know what happens? You gotta take more time off. And I'd rather you slow step, get what you want, more so than do too much a month in, now you injured to the point that you can't train for 6 months. Let's get this clear, that happens all the time. So slow and steady wins the race. This is the last set right here. And do remember, when you leaning back like this, you should already feel the core activated for sure. And one reason why I do actually love this exercise too, because I'm telling y'all, a lot of these lower ab exercises, they help with the hip flexors. You come right here. It's nice clean 10. Nice clean 10. Let me switch it up on this one. I love those because like almost one of the best bicep exercises you can do, believe it or not. But another thing I need y'all to do is make sure you're switching up those hand placements when it comes down to your pull-ups. Don't use the same hand placement each and every time. Do understand, reverse is gonna be a little bit easier for some of us. But like I said, just because it's easier doesn't mean that you should avoid the things that are a little bit more challenging. I always say, if you notice that it's a little bit more challenging, focus on those things a little bit more. And then move back into the easy stuff. And then you'll notice that the things that were easier, that was easy, becomes easier. Get rested, and me not talking too much. Easy, easy. Nice and clean, easy, easy, easy. You got it, easy. Whatever you feel. I just want to switch it up to be real with you. I haven't been doing reverse for a long time. So I really want to see what it is. There we go. Good, there we go. There we go, chase that. You got it, chase that. Good. Hold, 10, 9, activate the back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, up, 2, 1. Bring it down slow. Good work. So that's actually another one of our tricks too, is when we're getting to that last rep and we're not able to actually do it, mainly if you wasn't able to complete your set, we like to do that isometric hold for 10 seconds. Sometimes 5, sometimes 3, whatever your body can handle. If you can handle holding it for 10 seconds, by all means, hold it for 10 seconds, but take that time to really build a better mind and muscle connection with your back. So really identify your back, squeeze it as much as you can, and then once you're done, whatever time you choose, whether it be 3, 5, or 10 seconds, slowly control down through the back. Because sometimes just doing this is another way to get stronger. You can explode up, bring it down slow. Bring it down real slow. Explode up, bring it down real slow. So, like I said, whatever you can handle. If you can only handle 3 seconds, nothing wrong with that. Build up to 5 seconds. If you can handle 5 seconds and you want to build up to 10 seconds, build up to the 10. But those are actually great ways to get stronger as well when you're not used to the movement. Like I said, or if you can't do the pull-up at all, do me a favor and all you gotta do is walk over here. Use this bad boy right here. A lot of people like to say use resistance bands first, but I don't like the resistance bands because you still can have lack of understanding of mind and muscle connection when it comes down to your lats and forearm strength. And the fact that you can play with the weight easier, more so than making sure you have the right band. In general, you can just switch the pin. If you need a little bit more weight to kind of help you out, just add a little bit more weight, mainly when it comes down to fatiguing. Because you may be able to start off with 10 reps with a certain weight, but you'll notice that you don't have the endurance to be able to continuously do that 10 reps with the same weight for 3 consistent sets. So do be mindful of that. Let's get it.